This guy went from almost 0 matches to getting with over 90 girls on dating apps. And no, he didn't become a model. All he did was just stop screwing up his profile. I'm gonna show you exactly what he changed and why most guys are messing this up. You see, most dudes think the problem is their looks or their city or they're mysteriously shadow banned, but in truth, it's almost always their photos, because if your pics suck, nothing else matters. So let's take a look at exactly what this guy was doing wrong. So his first photo is him sitting on a unicorn, which obviously looks kind of gay, but in addition to that, he just doesn't look good in this photo. His facial expression makes him look a little depressed. His body language is not that good. His shirt is way too baggy. His shorts are way too short, and he has like the knee-high socks, so not a good look overall. His second photo is a military photo, which is inherently masculine, but he has a very like flamboyant look on his face. He doesn't look like he's gonna go out there and shoot the bad guys. He looks like he's gonna go out there and blow the bad guys. Here we have the next photo, which is slightly better, but again, he just doesn't look that attractive in it. His body language isn't that good, right? The lighting is not hitting his face in a way that makes him look attractive, and his facial expression makes him look like he's just uncomfortable in this photo. And his last photo is probably his best one, but it's still not that great. The lighting is pretty poor, which doesn't make him look as attractive. And also you notice that he's wearing a hat in every single one of these photos, which the girl clearly knows that he's bold, but he's losing points because it looks like he's insecure about it, and that's why he's trying to hide it in every photo. Remember, you don't get judged on how you actually look in real life. You get judged on how good you look in your photos. A real life 6 can either look like a 4 with bad photos or a 7 with good photos. Now, here's where things get interesting. Same guy, completely different results. Let's take a look at his first photo. Massive difference. So first of all, he stopped wearing hats and he grew out his facial hair, which makes him look a lot more masculine, also comfortable with the fact that he doesn't have hair. And also, he's shirtless and he's in good shape. He's showing off his tattoos, and because of the lighting and angle, he looks good in this photo. And the photo looks natural, like he was just swimming in the pool and someone was like, hey bro, let me take a photo of you. His second photo is also great. Now this one he's staring at the camera, which it's fine to have a few of those. And he's also dressed really nice, so that makes him look like, you know, he's not just some bad boy who swims in pools with his shirt off, but he's also, you know, he also has a nice career and stuff like that. He looks happy in this photo, not awkward like some of the previous photos, and shows that he's out and about, he does fun stuff, he knows how to dress well. Then the third photo is a selfie, which I think it's important nowadays to have at least one selfie to dispel the catfish objection. And he looks good in it, he looks confident in it. And also, if we look at the fourth photo, he kind of has that same bad boy look. It's like where he's not really smiling or smirking, but he also doesn't look depressed like you saw in the prior photos. He just kind of looks like he's sitting there just pondering the world. So overall, these photos made a massive difference. And transforming your profile like this just comes down to following these 3 rules. Rule number 1, looking your best. Most guys already mess up here. Lighting, angles, facial expression, all this matters way more than you think. These 2 photos were taken about 30 seconds apart, yet in one of them, I look significantly better. That's how much all this stuff matters. The general rule of thumb is you want to look about a point or maybe a point and a half better than you do in real life. In 2026, most girls are assuming that you look slightly worse than you do in your pics. So by not optimizing the lighting, angles, and expression, you're starting at a massive disadvantage. Rule number 2, making your photos look natural. This is something a lot of guys struggle with, but your photos shouldn't look like they came from a professional photo shoot. It should look like you're doing some cool activity and someone just snapped a pic of you in the process. Now, one important caveat, it is okay to have 1 or maybe 2 of your photos look a bit posed, like this pic that I used in my profile. However, the majority of your photos should have a very natural look. Rule number 3, the vibe must be at least neutral. This is a silent killer because if your vibe looks off, you're getting skipped. This means you want to avoid pics where you look like a loner or group shots where someone looks depressed, like these. Remember, you're only as good as your worst photo. One bad one can destroy your entire profile. And here's the bigger picture. Your profile is telling a story. Before, this guy's story was that he's a mildly awkward Indian guy who probably struggles with dating. After, his story became this is a confident, dominant man who probably has a lot of options, and difference in results was insane. Here are some of the many layered reports he shared in the mastermind. Last one was number 90. That means there was a lot before that. And this can literally be you. You just need to fix your profile and your texting. And my app FireTexts can help you massively with that second part. In addition to just having a lot more dates, because you're not messing up the texting anymore, you'll also learn a lot through all the examples. Some guys report not even needing it after a few months because their texting had improved so much. And you can try it completely free if you're a new user, link below.